Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Smarty channel. So today in this session, I will teach you about basics of Google Drive, which you use in day-to-day life. So if you want to use Google Drive, first open your Google Chrome web browser and open your Gmail account. You need to have a Gmail account if you want to use Google Drive. So after opening your Gmail account, you will get the opening screen like this. On the top right corner, you can see 9 dots. This is the Google Apps symbol. Okay, this is the Google Apps symbol. Click on the Google Apps symbol. When you click on the Google Apps symbol, you can see the triangle shape. So this is the symbol for Google Drive for app. Okay, this is the symbol for Google Drive app, the triangle symbol. Click on the triangle symbol. Okay, click on the triangle symbol. But before I teach you any concept of Google Drive, let me tell you something about Google Drive. See, this Google Drive is like an account, it's somewhat like a bank account, so where you can place all your important files and folders. So this Google Drive app comes free of cost. So when you create a Gmail account, this Google app will be provided to you. So you can store up to 15 GB of data. When you create a Gmail account, you will be given access to 15 GB of storage space. So you can store up to 15 GB of data in all the apps related to Google. Okay, so if you think 15 GB is very less and if you need more storage space, then you can buy it from Google. So now let us start the topic for today. First, I will show you how to upload a for how to create a folder. First, I will show you how to create a folder. Click on the new button. You can see the new button here. Click on the new button. You can see the new folder option. Click on the new folder option. Click on the new folder option. So now type the name for the folder. Say I will give a name called testing. I'll give a name called testing and then click on create button and then click on create button. So the folder has been created. Now you can see the folder called testing here. Okay, this is the folder which I created. Okay, fine. Now once the folder, so this is how you create a folder in Drive. This is how you create a folder in Drive. Now next topic is how to upload a file. So click on the new button again. You can see file upload option. Click on the file upload option. When you click on the file upload option, a open dialog box will open. Now I'll select the location as desktop. So on the desktop, these are the files which I have. So I will select one file which I want to upload, say link for video 2. I'll select the file and click on open button. When you click on open button, okay, already I have uploaded this file, so it's not opening. I'll click on file upload again. I'll select latest mark sheet and click on open and click on open. When I click on open, the uploading process will start. Now you can see at the bottom right corner, you can see a black color heading, black color heading with a tick mark on the right side of the name of the file. When you see the green color tick mark, that means the uploading process is completed. So the file has been uploaded now. Now you can see that file here. If you come down, you can see the latest marks sheet. This is the file. This is the file which I uploaded. So this is how you upload a file. Now let us see how to upload a folder. Click on the new button, click on the new button and click on folder upload. Can click on folder upload. Click on folder upload. Now the on the desktop, now I'll select desktop on the left side. So on the desktop, these are the 4 folders which are there. So from this folder, I'll select one any folder. Say my folder called Amma. I'll select my folder called Amma. Click on upload option. Click on upload button. When you click on upload button, it will ask you whether you want to upload it or not. Click on upload again. So the folder is uploading. So it will take few seconds for the folder to upload. It's almost done. Now you can see the green color tick mark on the bottom right side. That means the folder uploading is completed. Now you can see the folder which has been uploaded, Amma folder. The Amma folder which you uploaded recent just now, you can see the folder. This is how you upload a folder. This is how you upload a folder. Okay. Now let us take I have this one video, one file here. I'll open that. Okay, now next topic is I'll show you how to rename a folder. Now next topic is I'll show you how to rename a folder. For example, I have a folder called testing. Okay, I have a folder called testing. I'll show you how to rename this folder. Just click select the folder, then right click the mouse button. When you right click the mouse button, you will get a dialog box like this. In this dialog box, you can see the rename option. Click on the rename option. After you click on the rename option, you type the new name for the folder. I will say testing testing done. Some name, you can give any name. Testing done, you can type and click on OK. Now you can see the name of the folder has been changed to testing done. It will take a while, it will take few seconds. Now you can see the name of the file testing done has appeared here. Just the name of the testing done folder has appeared here. Okay, so this is how you change the name of the files. This is how you change the name of the folder. This is how you change the name of the folder. Now, next topic is how to move a file or a folder. For example, I have a file here. Okay, I want to move this file to some other folder. So what I will do is select the file and right click the mouse button. In the dialog box which appears, click on move button. Click on move to. Click on move to option. When I click on move to option, you will get a dialog box. So I got a dialog box here. Here all the folders which are there, all the folders which are there in the drive, the names of the folders will be displayed. Now I want to store this file in the folder called Amma. Click on the folder Amma, select the folder Amma, and then click on move here. You can see the move here option. Click on the move here option. That's it. The folder will disappear from its original location. Earlier, the file was present here. It has disappeared here from here. Now I will open Amma folder. In that Amma folder, you can see the file which you have moved. You can see that file here. Again, if you want to move it, the procedure is one and the same. Now this is how you move a file or a folder from one place to another place. Now the next topic is I will show you how to change the how to make a copy of that file or a folder. How to make a copy of a file or a folder. I will show you this file. Select the file and right click the mouse button. Click on make a copy. Click on make a copy. Okay, when you click on make a copy, see a copy of the file which I selected has been created. So the procedure is same for the files and the folders. The procedure is the same for the file and folder. Okay, so a copy of the file has been created. Now you can open this copy, you can share it, delete it, or whatever you want to do, you can do it. Now the next topic is sharing a file or a folder. Now what I will do is I will select the file or a folder. Okay, I will select this copy of link file. So right click on the file, you will get this dialog box. In this dialog box on the top, you can see the share button. Click on the share button. Click on the share button. So on the top, you have to type the email ID of the person to whom you want to send the file. So I'll type, okay, I'll select one email ID. So after you have typed the email ID, now if you want that person, if you want that other person to whom you are sending the file, if you want him to edit the file, click on edit option. You have permission, 3 permissions here. Click on the editor option. If you click on editor option, then the other person can edit the file. If you don't want the other person to edit the file, you can click on the viewer option. And if you want the other person to pass any comments, you can select the commenter option. Now after giving the permissions to the file, type the message. If you want to if you want to send any message to that person, type the message, and after typing the message, you click on the send button. After typing the message, you click on the send button. It's as simple as that. That's it. Once you follow these steps, the file will be shared to that person. Okay, the file will be shared to that person. Okay, now just a minute. Now, this is how you share a file or a folder. Now, last topic for today is how to delete a file or a folder. The procedure is same for the both files and folders. Select the file, right click the mouse button. At the bottom of the dialog box, you can see remove option. At the bottom of the dialog box, you can see the remove option. At the bottom of the dialog box, you click on remove option. So if you click on remove option, the file or folder will be deleted. Now all these file or folders which are deleted are kept in a folder called bin. On the left side, you can see a folder called bin. On the left side, you can see a folder called bin. Click on the bin option. Now here you can see the file which we have deleted. Now if you want to restore this file again to its original location, select the file, right click the mouse button and click on restore option, and then click on restore option. The file will be restored to its original location. Now, if see, whenever you delete a file or a folder, it will be kept in the bin for 1 month, for a period of 1 month. So after 1 month, the file or folder will be automatically removed from the Google Drive. So if you want to delete a file or folder immediately, you don't want the file or folder to stay in the drive for 1 month in the or in the bin for 1 month. So if you want to delete a file or folder immediately, so select the file or folder, right click the mouse button and click on delete forever, and click on delete forever option. Click on delete forever option. That's it. And then again click on delete forever. If you follow these steps, the file or folder will be deleted permanently. Now, the last topic I want to show you is about downloading a file or a folder. How to download a file or a folder. For example, I will open a file, some file I will open. Okay, this is the file I want to download. Right click the mouse button, right click the mouse button and click on download option. You can see the dialog box. When you right click the file on the file, you will get this dialog box. In this dialog box, you can see the download option. Click on the download option. Click on the download option. Then once you click on download option, the download process will start. Okay. Now, yeah, it will take few seconds for the file to download. Once the file is downloaded, in your computer, open downloads. In your computer, open downloads. Open downloads. So you can see the downloads button here, downloads folder here. Open the downloads folder. On the top, you can see the downloaded file. So this is how you download a file and you can open the file. So if you really like this session and if you want me to come up with more such sessions, don't hesitate to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to and like the channel. Click on the bell icon and like the channel. In future, I will be coming with more such sessions. Thank you for patiently watching my video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.